Now, the police is preventing the media from entering the village where anti-nuke protests headed by Uday Kumar are on an indefinite fast. Pradeep Pillai is with me from there. Pradeep, you could perhaps begin by updating us on the situation there. I believe there is a complete blockade in the area, the media being prevented from entering the area where the protesters are fasting.
Very much so. Well, the whole tension started building up hours after the Tamil Nadu cabinet cleared the Kudankulam nuclear power plant commissioning. Since then, we had seen a build-up of police force in and around the Kudankulam power plant locality. Prohibitory orders were declared in the Radhapuram Taluk, where the plant is located. Now, we are at the Thomas Mount Junction, which is where the road which will lead to the Idantharai village. I will ask my camera person to pan to show the road which is leading to Idantharai village from this junction. As you can see, there is a posse of policemen blocking the road completely, preventing the media, allowing only the police vehicles to go in. Now, the village is about 4 to 4.5 kilometers from this point, where we have thousands of protesters sitting in support of the fast being undertaken by the two leaders, SP Uday Kumar and Pushparayan. They have been on an indefinite fast since the time the Tamil Nadu government gave the green signal to the Kudankulam power plant. Now, since then, women and children and thousands of men have been sitting in vigil throughout the night, throughout the day, in an attempt to prevent an arrest, shield their leader from being arrested by the police. Yesterday, we also heard of reports of the Tirunelveli SP serving an ultimatum on SP Uday Kumar to come out and surrender, which was immediately prevented by the supporters, by the protesters, saying, if at all you have to make an arrest, arrest all of us, send enough vehicles in, we'll come out peacefully.
Right.
But since then, tension has been building up in the area. The villagers have been trying to block vehicles from coming in. They have been allowing only media from outside to come in. Now, this morning, as we were about to enter the village, the police blocked us, saying they have specific orders not to allow media inside. We also saw a while before one bus of women police constables moving into the village. So at the moment, as you rightly said, the entire atmosphere is volatile and tension is indeed building up at Idantharai and the suburbs of Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant Township. Back to you.
Right, Pradeep, as we can see behind you, there is a huge posse of security men over there. Is a crackdown imminent now? Are we looking at many of those protesters, including Uday Kumar, being arrested?
Well, yes, a crackdown seems very imminent because the sources do tell us that they were planning for an action yesterday evening. I'll ask the camera person to pan and show the police force around us. This is only part, this is not even a percentage of the actual force being deployed in and around the area. There are hundreds of police vehicles deployed all around this locality. There is the rapid action force. There is the Vajra and Varuna being deployed to use tear gas shells or water cannons if required. Yes, as you rightly said, their first priority is to arrest SP Uday Kumar and Pushparayan and the top leaders of the anti-nuclear movement. Of course, if this is being prevented by the crowd, which is very likely because they have been shouting in one voice right from yesterday that they will not allow to take Uday Kumar and Pushparayan alone, they will also have to be arrested. We are definitely looking at a volatile situation with tension building up and imminent police action.
Pradeep Pillai, thanks very much for that update from Kudankulam, a volatile situation evolving there. But after Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha's U-turn on a showdown on the Kudankulam nuclear plant, the protesters have now stepped up their fight. Despite several attempts by local police to pacify them, the villagers have refused to budge so far. The question is, as we were saying, is a police crackdown now dangerously imminent?
The police trying to pacify angry protesters at the Kudankulam nuclear site. 2 days after Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha's U-turn on the shutdown of the Kudankulam nuclear power plant, protesters stepping up their fight.
Third day running, the stalemate continues, standoff continues. The police has stopped shy of entering the village, though they have approached the village entrances many a time.
With no success in quelling the agitation, a police crackdown on protesters becoming dangerously imminent.
Sources do tell us that the arrest of the two prominent leaders of the agitation, SP Uday Kumar and Pushparayan, is imminent. In fact, the SP Tirunelveli called up SP Uday Kumar late this afternoon, asking him to surrender.
Despite all threats, protesters sticking to their demand, refusing to hold talks with the local police. With no signs of a truce and both sides staring down at each other, it's now a question of who will blink first. Bureau Report, Times Now.